She looked at you and decided silence was enough. No goodbye, no closure, no reason, just nothing. You stared at your phone, heart sinking like a stone in a well. You asked yourself 1,000 times, why? You replayed every word, every look, every moment. But brother, you're looking in the wrong direction. It's not about what she did. It's about who you were. And today, you're going to hear the brutal, unfiltered truth. Because that silence, that ghosting, that rejection, it wasn't cruelty, it was clarity. It was the universe holding up a mirror and whispering, "You are not yet him." Here are 4 reasons why she truly ignored you. Read them like your life depends on it. Because the man you're meant to become, he's on the other side of this pain. 1. You had no mission. A man with no mission is like a statue in the rain, slowly eroded by time, meaningless in motion, easy to overlook. She felt it in your words, in your energy, in your eyes. She saw that your world revolved around her because you had nothing else to orbit. Women do not want to be the sun in your sky. They want to join you on your march toward something greater. But you weren't marching. You were drifting, and she walked away because drifting men drown others with them. 2. You were begging for validation instead of commanding respect. You tried to win her by being agreeable, by molding yourself into who you thought she wanted. But the moment you traded your edge for acceptance, you became invisible. You were a chameleon in a world of lions, harmless, forgettable, and easily replaced. She didn't want your admiration. She wanted to feel your unshakable sense of self, because a man who respects himself makes others do the same. But if you bent your values just to keep her, you were already gone long before she left. 3. You placed her above yourself. You made her your purpose, your dream, your identity. You stopped building. You stopped becoming. You became a man orbiting a woman. And when that happens, she doesn't feel adored. She feels the weight of a man's emptiness. You put her on a throne and forgot you were meant to build the kingdom first. She ignored you, not because she was cruel, but because she couldn't follow a man who doesn't lead himself. This is your reminder to like the video and subscribe to my channel, Wired Stoic, on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok to be reminded every day to become more stoic, masculine, and successful. 4. You let your emotions rule you. She saw the anger, the desperation, the confusion, and none of it was grounded in strength. It was chaos. Masculinity is not the absence of emotion. It is the mastery of it. A man is not calm because life is easy. He is calm because he has tamed the storm within. When she ignored you, it was to escape the noise in your soul. Because a man who cannot control his feelings cannot protect or lead anything. She didn't reject you. She exposed you. She showed you the gap between who you are and who you must become. And that should not break you. It should awaken you. The fire you feel inside right now, use it. Forge it. Let it build the man no one can ignore. And remember this, you are not meant to be chosen. You are meant to choose yourself first. Stand tall, be still, become the legend.